How to go live on Facebook with Meld Studio. Hey everyone, I'm Guillermo from JMV Technology, showing you how to go live on Facebook using Meld Studio. Meld Studio is a new streaming tool competing with OBS Studio. If you want to learn about streaming to Facebook with OBS Studio, check out our tutorial in the description. To see our social media restreaming plans, just scan our QR code. Our plans let you stream to multiple accounts simultaneously. For more on live streaming, check out our free course link in the description. Now, let's open Meld Studio. Go to File, then Preference. Let's set up the stream quality. In Main Canvas, we'll select the 1080p option. Set frame rate to 30 unless broadcasting high motion content like a soccer match. In that case, use 60. If you have a dedicated GPU, enable Hardware Encoder to use its performance for streaming. For video bitrate, let's set a rate compatible with 1080p. We'll enter 4000 kbps. Make sure your machine can handle this quality. Set audio bitrate to 160. Now go to Add Output and select Custom. We'll get this URL and key from Facebook. On Facebook, go to Live Video, then Start Live Stream. Here's the stream key and in Advanced Settings, the server URL. Above, set title and description. On the left, choose Audience and Scheduled. The most common choice is Public. Now enter the URL and key in Meld Studio. And close the settings. Let's add content to the live stream. Now activate it. Then return to Facebook Studio and activate there too. After this, your live stream will be visible to your audience. That's it. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.